Hello students, welcome back to the class again. I hope all of you are fine. So today we will discuss about again Excel, some basic concept, but the topics are autofill and flash fill. Alright, so let's start with autofill. Now autofill is a feature of Excel, and with the help of this feature we can automatically fill the cells with some series of maybe numbers, dates, and other items. Okay, that means what is the meaning of series? Collection of numbers that follows a particular pattern. So to fill up those series, we use this feature autofill. Okay, now that can be some predefined series or that can be also user defined series. So we will come to this next. Okay, later on we will discuss. First of all, always remember that we have two different ways. Okay, by following these two ways we can do, but I feel that the first one is easier, but still I'll explain both the ways and you can choose which is easier for you. What is autofill? As I have said, we have to fill the cells with some series. That means the combination of or collection of numbers, okay, which follows a particular pattern, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. That can happen. Okay, now January, February, March, April, May, June, that is a series. Okay, series of first 10 natural numbers. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to write the base element. That means the first element of that series. Okay, I have written 1. Okay, and after that what you have to do, let me just zoom in. Yes, so here, as I said, here are two different ways. First one is fill handle and next one is with the help of editing group in the home tab. So now what is fill handle? Fill handle is this square pattern in the right bottom corner. Okay, I think it is visible for you, this tiny square. Okay, that is said to be fill handle, and whenever you will place your mouse pointer upon it, you will see that your mouse pointer, icon of your mouse pointer is changing to a plus sign. Okay, black plus sign. So whenever you will place it, after that you have to double click and drag like this. Now you will see that the element that you have written in the first cell, that is copied. So for changing to autofill, what you have to do, this autofill options will come whenever you will select the cells. Okay, now you have to click this and within that you will find out this fill series option. So let's change it to fill series. Now see, series is here. Okay, now the question comes, why ma'am, why I'll use this feature? See, whenever we are dealing with some like 100 numbers or more than that, okay, that time if we will write every number individually, okay, that is hectic, that is time taking. So this is something which is a beautiful feature of Excel, and with the help of that automatically we can fill it. Okay, the thing what we have to do, we have to just mention the first element of that series and have to drag the fill handle, and then yes, you have to change the option. See here, I have changed the option to fill series. If this is selected, then it will be copied, the first element will be copied, and if you will change to fill series, then the series will come. So that's how we can autofill. Okay, now it is also applicable for like January, February, the name of months, for that also it is applicable. So the procedure is same. As I have told, this is the first procedure. Okay, and the second way I'll tell you. Okay, that's how we can write it. Okay, so we don't have to write individually, we don't have to come to each and every cell and then we don't have to write. Okay, if we are following a particular pattern, then we can use this autofill option. This is predefined series. Okay, Excel understands whenever you will write the first element, Excel will understand. So now if you want to mention your pattern, okay, then what you have to do, you have to mention first two elements. Okay, just by seeing first two elements, Excel will understand what type of pattern you are trying to use. Okay, so if I am writing some even numbers, for that what I have to do, I have to mention first two numbers. Okay, so I'm starting from 2 and then 4. Okay, so when I am mentioning first two numbers, then the Excel will understand my pattern. Okay, so for that also what you have to do, you have to select first two numbers. Okay, first two cells you have to select, and then you have to drag that fill handle. Okay, like this. Okay, so always remember, you have to select the first two elements. After that you can use this autofill. Okay, so let's write. Okay, after Jan I would mention, I will skip February and I'll mention March. Okay, then let's see what happens. Okay, I am selecting both the cells, and then let's see, I'm dragging it. See, it is skipping. So we will do same thing, but we will use editing group of home tab. Again I'm writing first 10 natural numbers. So again I have to mention the first element, and after that you have to select that cell, and what you have to do, you have to select other cells where you want to write the series. Okay, I have selected, and then you have to come to home tab. Okay, I am already in home tab. Within that you will find this editing group here. Okay, and this fill option. So within that you have to select series. Okay, now you will see we are having different options, like do you want to write the series in column wise or row wise, you have to select from here. Type of series, and the step value is 1. What is the step value? That means the distance or the gap between two cells. Okay, whenever you are writing 1 and in the next cell you are writing 2, that means if you minus 1 from 2 you'll get 1. So that is the step value. Okay, so this is step value 1. If I'll make it 2, then it will be written like 1, 3, 5. Okay, let's apply. See, this is the procedure. Okay, the result is same, but the way out is different. So that's it for today, students. I hope it helped you, and if you are having any question, then obviously you can write in the comment section. And till then, practice at home. I'll come back soon. So see you in the next class. Take care of your health. Bye bye.